Hi, boys and girls. So for virtual field day coming up, I'm going to show you all how to do the penguin race. So what you need for the penguin race, I'm going to go over the directions and then I'll demonstrate it for you to show you all what you can do. And you can do this outside or you can do it in your house. So to get started, you need a tennis ball or just a sock or some form of a ball that would fit inside of a cup. Then you need 2 cups. You can use whatever cups that you want. I have my frozen cups here that I am excited to use. And you are supposed to act like a penguin, and the ball that you have is the egg. And you can do this by yourself, or if you have your brothers and sisters or your parents that want to play with you, you can also do it with them. So if you're by yourself, you're going to see how many points you can score in 1 minute. So somebody is going to set a timer or count to 60 seconds. And you're going to waddle with the tennis ball between your knees, and you are going to see if you can put it in the cup and how many times that you can do that in 1 minute. If you drop the ball or the egg, you have to do 5 jumping jacks before you keep going. So you get 1 point for each cup that you turn over. All right, if you are with a partner, you are trying to be the first person that turns over 6 cups. All right, so I'm going to show you how to play this game by yourself. So let me make my screen bigger so that you can see me. All right, and I'm going to set this up on my floor over here. Here are my cups. All right. So I'm going to put 1 cup here and 1 cup here. And you can put this however far apart that you want. And here's my egg. So I'm going to put that between my knees. And I'm going to start my timer. All right, so my timer is for 1 minute. You can see it there, 1 minute. All right, I'm going to press go. And then I'm going to start trying to flip these cups over. All right. Oh no! I'm going to try not to drop it. Okay, this is harder than you might think it is. All right, there's 1. Oh no, it's going to drop. 3. All right, 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, starting. Oh no, almost touched it. 4, 5. It has to have been 1 minute. No, it's 11 seconds. Okay. 6, 7, and time. Oh. All right, boys and girls. So that is how you do the penguin race. I hope that you all have fun on virtual field day. Send me videos or pictures. Thank you all. Bye.